Are you noticing joint discomfort, stiffness, or limited mobility that makes everyday tasks a challenge? Joint issues can affect anyone, regardless of age, leaving you feeling older than you are and limiting the activities you enjoy. When your joints aren't in top shape, it impacts your entire quality of life. Daily movements can become uncomfortable, and it's frustrating to miss out on active moments with family and friends because of stiff, achy joints. MaxHealth Nutraceuticals Joint Health supplement is here to help you get back to feeling your best. This powerful formula combines essential nutrients like glucosamine, chondroitin, and MSM to support your joint health from the inside out, helping reduce stiffness, boost mobility, and support long-term joint flexibility. And support. With daily use, Joint Health can help restore comfort so you can get back to the things you love, whether it's walking, exercising, or just moving without worry. Feel strong, flexible, and ready for anything with MaxHealth's Joint Health supplement. Visit drnicolemd.com/MaxHealth Nutraceuticals today to learn more about supporting your joints for life.